Hello everyone. So today I'll teach you how to draw a king and a queen. So let's start by drawing a straight line towards the bottom of your page. We're going to draw the king and queen from this line. Now draw a standing line or a perpendicular line like this. We are going to draw the king here. At first I am starting by drawing the king's crown. Draw 4 little circles in a line like this. That's the crown. Now let's draw his face. Watch carefully. I'm drawing a king with a beard. That's the nose and 2 dots for the eyes. The hair like this. Now I'm going to draw the king's dress. Draw 2 lines, a bit curved lines like this. Now watch carefully. Okay. 2 sleeping lines, standing line, okay. Now we have to draw the king's hands. Now I'm using the ruler to draw the straight lines like this. Okay, we are almost done. Next, I'm going to draw another standing line. This is for the queen. We are drawing these lines to get the drawing straight. And also it helps to draw the crown and the dress and things like that correctly. drawing the crown. Next, draw a circle. This is for the face. Two dots for the eyes. A little curve for the smiling lips. Here I am drawing curly hair, curly and short hair for the queen. Two little lines for the neck. The neck should be very little. You should not draw them long. Two sleeping lines. Join the sleeping lines. Now you need to mark 2 points towards the left and right of the line. That should be of equal distance to the left and right. Draw curved lines like this. I'm drawing the decorations in the dress. You can draw like you wish. Any designs. I'm just drawing few designs like this. Draw a straight line towards the bottom. More designs. These are all your wish. You can draw designs like you wish and also give different colors according to your choice. Let's draw the queen's hands. It's also part of the dress. Forgot to add few dots in the king's dress. Okay, hope you like this drawing. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.